MKDW stock analysis Friday and onwards. Is it a buy? That's the question, and I'm answering this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. MKDWELL stock, well, just tech. We're sitting at 85 cents and it's like 30% up for the day. So where the heck are we heading next? This is a totally unusual market conditions. I mean, yes, it's going up. That's not the unusual part. It's just that it's like it was such a like there's nothing here. Like you can see the candles, not volatile. Then here we do have some volume. It's not particular the conditions that I would particularly trade, but if you look at this, yeah, it's definitely bringing up. Like if you follow the first principles, this is the demand area. Willing to take it up only if there's like a little retracement, but ultimately waiting to see these highs kind of get cleared from what I see, because there's a lot of liquidity above there. But that's how it looks like for me right now. Not so particularly something that I would trade, but those are my 2 cents. If you want to learn the strategy, click the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, all of them.